Starting a YouTube channel is like shooting for the moon. What I mean is, it is something quite difficult to achieve. It is like setting high goals, like gaining more subscribers, making videos of enriched content. But it isn't like moon is made of green cheese. Now you must be wondering why I am mentioning so much about the moon. Hey everyone, this is Shilpa and you are on my channel She Speaks. So today on my list are some idioms related to moon. So let's get cracking. So the first one is asking for the moon, which means that making an unreasonable request for something that is unattainable. For example, when I asked them to change the date of the party, they acted like I'm asking for the moon. That is, they thought that it is something that is not going to be possible. So, asking for the moon. Next is to be over the moon, which means to be extremely happy. For example, when she learned that her son is going to visit her, she was over the moon, which means that the mother was extremely happy because her son was going to visit her. So we say over the moon. Once in a blue moon, which means a very long period of time or something that is very rare. For example, I got to see my friends once in a blue moon now that I study so far away from the home. This means that now I'm studying so far from the home, so I get very rare chance to meet my friends. So once in a blue moon. Next on my list is to cast beyond the moon, which means to consider uncertain possibilities or to anticipate. For example, I want you to cast beyond the moon as you dream about your future, which means that the person wants the other person to consider some more uncertain possibilities about his or her future. Next is many moons ago, which means a long time ago. For example, I used to eat junk food many moons ago, which means that now I don't eat junk food. This is something that I used to do a very long time ago. To think one hung the moon, which means to think of someone as the best. For example, his mother thinks that he hung the moon as in her eyes he cannot do anything wrong, which means that the mother thinks that his son is the best and he cannot do anything wrong. So we say to hung the moon. Next is to bark at the moon, which means that something that is unlikely to change or happen. For example, asking my boss for a off on a weekend is like barking at the moon. That is, the boss is not going to give a off on a weekday. That is barking at the moon. To moon about someone or something, that is to be very sad about someone or something. For example, stop mooning at the loss, you will get more chances. That is, don't be depressed about as you could not achieve something, you will get more chances. Next I'm going to jump upon is bay at the moon. That is trying to do something that is nearly impossible. For example, you are baying at the moon, you need to try something else. That is, whatever you are doing right now, you will not be able to achieve it or it is something nearly impossible. So try to do something else. That is baying at the moon. My next idiom is surely going to shower some love upon you. It is to love someone to the moon and the back. That is to love someone immensely. For example, he loves her to the moon and the back. It is a way of expressing your love or the amount of your love. That is to love someone to the moon and the back. I hope after learning all these idioms you would be over the moon and will not eschew yourself from using them, if not all, at least one of them. This was all from my side today, and before ending this video I want to make a request to you all that please pour your heart out below my videos by commenting below. And commenting, you can suggest me anything you want me to, like you can tell me any topic you want me to make a video on, any suggestion, or in like how can I make my videos better, anything. Just pour out your heart. Till then, bye bye, take care and peace out.